Hello children, hope you all are well. Take your book 4 along with you for starting our 4th chapter, the keyboard. Before starting, let me tell you that the keyboard is an important part of the computer. As we use a pencil or a pen to write on a notebook, we use the keyboard to write or enter the information and instructions into a computer. Moreover, a computer keyboard has many small buttons on it. They are called keys, and whatever we type on the keyboard, it appears on the screen of the monitor at the cursor position. There are usually 104 keys on the keyboard. Now, let's begin the chapter. In the starter, you can see the picture of a keyboard with some colored alphabet keys. Here, you have to write the letter in the same colored box as shown above. Let's complete it. So, the first letter is K. Then E, Y, B, O, A, R, D. The word formed is keyboard. You have just written the word keyboard on the colored boxes. Now, keys on a keyboard. A keyboard has many small buttons on it. These are called the keys. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. Now we will learn about them. The keys on a keyboard can be grouped as follows: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 letters A to Z in the English alphabet. We can see these 26 alphabets on the different keys of a keyboard. These keys are called the alphabet keys. As you can see on the picture of the keyboard, the yellow blinking part is of the alphabet keys. As there are 26 alphabets in English, so there are 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. Due to its first row of alphabets, that is Q, W, E, R, T, and Y, it is called QWERTY keyboard or keypad. Now, number keys. The keyboard has 20 number keys. One set of 10 number keys is on the top of the alphabet keys. Another set of 10 number keys is on the number pad, which is on the right side of the keyboard. Number keys are marked with 0 to 9. These are 10 in numbers. We use them to type numbers on the screen. Numeric keypad, which is on the right side of the keyboard, can be used only when the num lock is on. As you can see the picture, the green blinking parts are the number keys. Fact zone. The vertical blinking line which appears on the screen is called the cursor. It shows you where you will type and moves towards the right. Now you can see the picture that the cursor keeps on blinking on the screen, and when we start typing, it moves towards the right. So now we will read about the special keys. Special keys are used to do some special tasks. Let us learn about them. See the picture of the keyboard. Here are the different special keys. They are Spacebar, Backspace Key, Delete key, arrow keys, and enter keys. First we will read about enter key. The enter key is pressed to move the cursor to the next line, or it is used to pass on our instructions to the CPU by saying OK to the computer. There are 2 enter keys on a keyboard. You can use either of the enter keys to move to the next line while you type. So, these are the 2 enter keys on the keyboard. The next key is spacebar. The spacebar is used to leave a space between any 2 letters words or numbers. It is the longest key of the keyboard. It is the only key that has nothing written on it. It is mostly used while typing letters, paragraphs, etc. for inserting gaps between the words. So, here's the spacebar. Now, backspace key. The backspace key is used to delete or erase the letter on the left side of the cursor. There is an example given for you to understand it in a better way. See the spelling black, B-L-A-C-K-E, which is typed wrongly. By pressing the backspace key once, it will delete the wrongly typed character. And then we will get the correct spelling of black, that is B-L-A-C-K. The backspace key is present above the enter key. Delete key. The delete key is used to delete or erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. This key is similar in the function to the backspace key. The delete key is used to delete a wrong character and replace it with the correct one. The delete key erases the characters on which the cursor is placed. Now, again there is an example for you. See the spelling of black, which is again typed wrongly. Click between A and O. Now press the delete key. It will delete the letter O, and then we will get the correct answer. This is the delete key on the keyboard. Now the arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. You can move the cursor up, down, right and left with these arrow keys. The arrow keys are also called cursor control keys or cursor moving keys. These are used to move the cursor in 4 directions, that are left, right, up and down. These are the 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Now I hope you will remember about the different types of keys on the keyboard. So let's start our book exercise. A number. Fill in the blanks with the help of the clue box. Here is the clue box. And the clues are enter, arrow keys, space bar, 20 and 26. One number. The longest key on the keyboard is the dash. So the answer is space bar. The longest key on the keyboard is the space bar. 2 number. The dash key helps to move the cursor to the next line. The answer is enter. 3 number. We use the dash to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Our answer is arrow keys. 4 number. There are dash alphabet keys. The answer is 26. There are 26 alphabet keys. 5 number. There are dash number keys. There are 20 number keys. Now B number. Match the following. Here you can see there are 2 columns. Column A and column B. In column A, the numbers are enter key, delete key, alphabet keys, number keys and arrow keys. In column B, the options are 4, A to Z, 0 to 9, to delete and to move to the next line. So, what we have to do? We have to match from column A to the options in column B. 1 number, enter key. The answer will be to move to the next line, that is E number. So match it. 2 number, delete key. It is used to delete. So match it with D number to delete. 3 number, alphabet keys. And the answer is B number, A to Z. 4 number, number keys. the answer is C number 0 to 9. 5 number arrow keys and its answer is A number, that is 4. So match it. Now the next question. C number. Draw a smiley if correct and a sad face for the wrong one. 1 number. We use the enter key to erase letters. The answer is wrong. 2 number. Alphabet keys are used to type a word. Yes. So the answer is correct. 3 number. We can write numbers by using the backspace key. The answer is wrong. We cannot write numbers by using the backspace key. 4 number. The delete key deletes the letter on the right side of the cursor. The answer is right. So draw a smiley face. 5 number. We use the space bar to insert a space between two words. Yes, this one is also a correct one. So draw a smiley face. Now from the fun zone. In the keyboard shown here, some of the keys are colored. Fill in the boxes given below with the letters on the keys having the same color. One has been done for you. What message do you get? So we have done such a question before starting the chapter. Do it in same way. The message will be I love my computer. So write it quickly. Now 2 number. These animals are looking for keys matching the first letters of their names. Help them find the keys by matching them to their keys. One has been done for you. So here you can see that the elephant starts with the letter E. So it is matched with the letter E on the keyboard. In this way, we will match each of the animal from the keyboard by using their starting letter. So the first picture is of a goat and we will match it with the letter G. The next picture is of the animal yak and it starts with the letter Y. So match it with Y. Then sheep. It starts with S. So match it with S. The next one is cow and it starts with the letter C. The last one is lion and it starts with the letter L. So match it and copy all the question answers in your notebook. So for now, bye bye and thank you.